We're at Disneyland, yo!
Sama ka? Ano? Bapo ko.
Hey guys, it's officially day 5.
And where are we going?
Disneyland.
So we're going to Disneyland guys today. Maagang nagising yung mga bata kasi excited tsaka kami na early pass. So, eto na. May nag-alarm na siya.
2014
Let's go na. And day 5 officially
starts now.
starts now. Good morning. Tapos na pababa na kami to meet the rest of the family. Let's go na!
Disneyland Day!
Disney!
Disney!
Today, can you feel the engine purrs? The whole wide world is ours and yours. Hold your breath now, count to 3. Get ready to run with me. We are exploring the neon night, dancing under the city lights. No destination, just the view. Living a life that feels brand new. Connection.
Disney Station! Yana, are you happy? Disneyland. What did you say? What is it?
The dream come true.
Sabi yan.
Picture, freeze the frame. Nothing's ever gonna be the same. Can you feel?
We're at Disneyland!
Hi guys, ito na kami.
Now count to 3. Get ready to run. We are exploring.
Okay, we're officially inside the Disneyland Park! Let's go!
Just the view. Living a life that feels brand new. We're lost in the right direction. Making a beautiful connection.
Sama ka? Ano? Bapo ko. Ubus na. I only have one more.
So, magra-rides kami. Okay, sliding sleighs!
First ride.
First ride! Sliding sleighs! Let's go! Sabi natin, light lang wala sabog! Eto na. Let's get it!
Dami akong gamit bag.
Bakit? Ito matindi, sinabi natin, light lang yun, pala wasak no. Hindi ko matanda, pero alam ko hindi ito yung worst ride eh. Hindi ito yung worst ride.
I'll be out in a minute. Oh, and with every purchase, free lutefisk.
Yay! Almost there.
Let's go.
Happy ako for Jane.
Facing her.
Jane facing her peer.
And Piteri.
Terry facing her peer. Kiko Kate. I-edit out ko yung mga ano mo, yung mga vlog ano mo. Take over. Okay. Kasha. Eto na, recording.
First ride.
First ride, let's go. Yeah! Ano, Jane?
More! Seryoso, hindi ka!
Okay. Ano, Jane? Job, you did it, bro! Okay, done our first ride. Sakto lang. Wala pa 30 seconds.
Bitin si ano?
Bitin.
Bitin ako.
Bitin.
Coffee daw!
Better than coffee!
Ay, let's go to the frozen one. The best part.
Okay, Frozen Ever After na tayo.
This is for kids only.
Okay, so done na sa sleigh thingy. So ano naman kami? Frozen Ever After. Sama mga kids and seniors. Let's go. Yana, your first ride! Let's go! Pwedeng sama-sama ka. Take it off. Okay. No headbands, no headbands. Alis mo. Hi guys! Na! Frozen Ever After! Here we go! Look lang, oh, there, oh, wow! Oh, hola! Hi! Sir Robot?
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and thought a frozen heart.
Oh, the story of Frozen.
Indeed. Exactly.
Whoa, I know. Yay! Oh, there's ano.
Is that robot?
Yeah, okay. Oh, there, oh. There's Anna.
Let's just call it delight. 'Cause for the
First time in
Are you ready to see Elsa?
Whoa, there's Elsa. Mamaya pa. Nice. It's okay. Later, mawala lang. Ganun lang. We're entering the snow mountain. There you go. Lena, hold your, ano dito, may slight drop, okay? Oh, little snowman right there, oh. Whoa! Shout, shout, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! That's it! Okay lang, eh? It's okay? Don't get sorry. I just like to...
Winter's a good time to stay in
They've been blinking, bro.
summer and Alpia.
Happy snowman!
Exactly.
Well, I feel so much to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun.
Just let no steam. Oh, this sky with you. You guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer. Da-da, da-da. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. The colder, both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense. Your personal belongings.
Okay,
Exit to your
we're
left.
done exiting to the left.
欢迎你们回来，
Good job.
请继续坐。
Ayun tayo ba yun? There you go. Sumami.
像他们人吗？
Yan lang. Opo. Domini. So we just got out of Frozen Ever After souvenir shop. We'll wait for them outside. So, done na kami sa Frozen area. So, dito na kami sa mid. This is Jasmine! Oh! Hi! Hi! Wanna take a photo?
Yana, Link!
Liana, look!
I'm trying to convince Aladdin to that. Alright, I'm just a pretty face.
Yeah, smile! There you go, how about us? Family?
Everyone together.
Okay.
Thank you. So, kay Rapunzel lang tayo. Doon na tayo kay Jasmine. Let's go.
Rapunzel! Our setting.
Soup.
Sure, come on in.
There, oh.
I like your little friend tab. Kind of reminds me of Pascal when we're playing hide and go seek. He turns blue to blend on in with the walls. My favorite. So this was your dream?
Yeah.
This is the best day ever! This is amazing!
Okay, take it to
I'd say that's the best day.
Bye! Is it okay?
family.
Of course, everyone enjoy.
So, next stop lesson tayo.
Small world!
Small World. Para sa mga seniors and
Happy
kids.
ako kay Yana. Nakilala niya yung kanyang favorite.
Disney
Disney
character.
princess.
Oh, there's Cinderella. Who's that? Sino yan? Who is that?
So beautiful!
How should we?
So pretty. Oh!
How should
Sleeping Beauty.
Ayan, so ito na kami, pupunta na kami Small World. Dito pwede yung mga senior at saka yung kids, so they're gonna enjoy it too. Tapos after this siguro, mag-early lunch na kami para makapag, energize. Tapos mamaya ulit, rides. There! Small World! Nangunguna yung dalawa eh.
So, nandito tayo sa Royal Banquet Hall. Upuan muna tayo, upuan.
Hanap po tayo upuan.
Right. Kasha, 10? Okay, good. So, nandito tayo sa may banquet hall. Ganda, ganda, wow. Oh, ganda. Para ka nasa Crete.
Ito international.
Wow.
Kasi may chicken dito.
Yummy. I want some seaweed.
Yana eating her ramen. Favorite noodles, girl.
Yummy.
Tingin na lang. Favor, can you grab the wipes for me, please?
You did from it.
Okay, Lane, dahil na tayo sa banquet hall. Lamig, sarap. Busog, busog, sulit. Pricey pero goods. Sarap, lamig.
Ice cream! Jake!
Ice cream.
Sure, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ay, pangaling to.
Ice cream.
Wait.
Wow! Picture natin, picture natin.
Ay! Tagal. Okay lang.
Ayan na, parade, guys! Adventureland! Nag-try kami ng river cruise, jungle river cruise.
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle River Cruise.
Dun
Please
sigo.
select your language, indicated by a sign above each of the turnstiles. Although some
English.
flights may take longer than others.
Was it amazing? You saw everything?
Sorry, baby, sorry.
You were even
So, waiting pa rin kami sa Jungle River Cruise.
Hindi,
Dalawang pila, English, tsaka...
Dalawang pila Chinese tapos
Tsaka English.
English.
Mas mahaba pila nun sa Chinese, pero parang every 2 Chinese cars.
For Chinese.
Tapos isang din English. Yung guide yun yung nagsasalita English, yung nagsasalita rin yung Chinese.
Please go on to the
Let's stay in the front.
Good afternoon. Come this way. Move to the front.
Let's go!
On the behalf of the General Transportation Company, welcome to the
Front seat.
Hello everyone, my name is Kitty, I'm your skipper, and hello everybody. But in this trip, for your own safety, remember, please remain seated.
Treehouse.
But I'm so sorry, thousands and thousands of attention now.
There, oh. Oh, look, yan, oh. It's real, though. It is real, though.
Thank you so much for everything.
Whoa, jungle.
Oh,
Oh, there's snakes.
The
spider there. Oh! What was that? Oh, look. Ano ko sa'yo? Crocodile, crocodile.
Because they crocodile, but they have first one. Yummy, yummy. Let's be quiet.
It's a gorilla sleeping, oh.
Hello, Patricia, Isabella, 你好。
Whoa! Yeah. Yeah, nice. Oh. There, oh. Whoa, so big. Look, yeah, no, so big, though. Oh, there's a hippo.
Oh, no, they entered the hippo too. Oh, they want to climb that hill.
Oh, no. Oh.
Be careful, this is not the hippo, okay? Hello, Dr. Isabella, the scientist there. Hello, Isabella. Oh, no, they have some trouble now.
Oh, no.
It's
So like skulls.
Are you ready to sing and dancing? Okay, no. I want to join your party with my VIP guest.
Ano, may moto. There you go. Wow! Wow! Hey!
Wow, we are all still alive. You also think that
Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! What is that? Whoa! 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 What is it? Oh!
Be careful.
Oh my God! What's that? There we go. No! What is that? No! Smiling! Smoking! What is that? God damn. Whoa! 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 It's burning, bro! Whoa! 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 What is that? They're saving! Whoa! The water's burning, bro! Whoa! Whoa!
Are you okay?
Yeah! Everyone's safe.
Okay, bye. Ding, look. Sige po. Bom, bom, bom. Bom, 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 bom. Yan lang na, sarap tayo.
We're waiting for Lion King show. Daming tao. Pila ka. Wala siyang maayos na pila kaya unahan to for sure. Sana makapasok at makakuha ng magandang kuan. Patient na yung baby ko.
done Lion King show. It's fantastic, great production. Parang.
So we're going to the Tomorrowland. Kasama ko ang aking ate kasi sinusumpong yung bunso namin. Inaway ni ate. Inaway mo ba ate?
Si Tita Joy.
Si Tita Joy.
Sinabi niya gusto niya bagong family. Sinabi ni Tita Joy, tinuro niya sa ilang tao. Yan yung bagong tao mo. Si Tita Joy yan.
That's not a good
Si
joke.
Tita Joy yan.
Tomorrowland. Sarado ang Hyperspace Mountain. That sucks. Ant-Man and the Wasp naman kami. Haba na
Kasama yung mga
pila.
bata.
Sama si ate.
Sama ate.
Sama si Yan Yan sa likod.
Ito na sa wakas, nakapasok na kami.
Mapasok na rin.
So,
40 minutes waiting
40
time.
minutes wait time. Andun na kami.
Actually, feeling ko mahaba pa to yata. Na, malapit na back sa loob.
Ay, sa wakas.
EMP blaster.
Kami na sa dati-dati.
What's the hold up, kids? Clock's ticking.
Why don't you come give us a hand?
I've got my own.
Guys, pay attention to Leslie's instructions. We need you down here ASAP.
Wait a minute. What if we shrunk everyone so that they could blast the bombs from the inside?
See, they're just shooting.
Inside the station center.
Yes, exactly. Ganun.
There's good the TV with the box.
Yeah, someone's gonna come down.
Stacy,
It's like a 3D.
What are you gonna do?
Gotta shoot him.
暂时中断，请在战车里坐好。我将尽快重新启动战车。突击安全系统，大家来。
Problem fixed. Remain seated, people.
Time to focus on the mission. Grab those blasters and get ready to do some damage.
There we go. Shoot, 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 shoot. Yay. Oh, shooting. Go, let's go. It's too dark.
Take activated your dagger vehicle. Stay seated and get ready to be moving against the 突击战车的进程。
Yeah.
大家在战车里坐好，我将请。
And size. Blast size, whichever. Just keep blasting. So it was all like, oh, so unstoppable.
Good job, ate.
Oh, you there to make Ant-Man look good.
Step up. Big, balik mo na, baby. Balik mo na yung put yan ba? There we go. Okay.
Yan, tapos na kami sa Ant-Man and the Wasp.
Hindi na tayo nag-Iron Man.
Hindi na kami nag-Ironman.
Parang
Ano yun?
4D ride.
Yung 4D ride kasi kasama yung mga bata. Ay, actually pwede siya sa bata.
Pagod na.
Kaya lang baka hindi makayanan ni Kulot. Sila
Ba't din yung pinfancy ano?
Kaya nga, stress na kami.
Ayun yung ice cream.
Bili ako Coke. Gusto ko ng soda para magising. Grabe na antok na kami. Pero hindi, kailangan pa.
Comment.
Kayanin hanggang momentous. Kaya pa natin, be?
Balik na, balik.
Kaya, be? Momentous?
Oo, kaya pa. Okay, see, show me. May see, show the face. So adorable. Oh, let's go there.
29. No, we don't. This way. That way. Grizzly, this way. Let's go! Kaya natin to. Sana konti na lang ang pila.
Why?
We're gonna ride this, Jane.
No, nope, nope. Nope, nope.
Grizzly, Jane. One pila. Magandang pila. Don't click na makakasakay kami. Long wait again. Grizzly Town. Ay, dito na pala sila. Hinihintay nila ako. So, ano lang, game pan. Standby.
Ah, Bobby.
90 minutes.
Oh, 19 minutes. Ha?
May picture mo. Pinicture ko na yung grizzly kanina eh.
90 minutes kasi. Eh, samantalang yung Ant-Man and Wasp kanina, 45 minutes lang yun. Tagal natin dun. Ito, 90 minutes. Okay, so, Toy Story Land.
Na, Toy Story na.
Wow, oh, di ba? Let's get it. Hindi mo paparide yan. Never. No. Nope. Ito rin, nope. Pass ako dyan. Pass tayo dyan, pass. Pero kung maaga-aga kanina, piling ko pinatulang ko yung ano, yung parachute drop na yan. Ngayon wala, pagod na. Kasi. Ayun, sabog ka lolo niya dyan. So, ini-expect ko gantong oras na waiting na lahat sa Momentos, ang dami pa rin tao. So, iniwan ko muna sila, destin ako po. Makain ng waffle. Kuha lang ako ng mga shots dito sa Toy Story na. Let's go. Wow. RC Racer. Mr. Potato Head. Hey, Woody. Howdy. This is madness. Oh my God, bro. Shit.
Nakahabol.
Mystic Manor. Di nanood na ng Momentos
Hindi
para
ba
sa
mo
Mystic. Naabot tayo pa, hindi tayo napusahan lang. Abot yun 100%.
Eh, sayang kasi ito na yung pinaka-abangan namin.
Oh, ito yung gusto natin
Gusto
ngayon.
namin pumunta sa amin.
We'll see anong ganap.
Yung iba nandun na. Babalikan na namin. Tatlo na lang kami. Kami
Joy.
na yung pinaka-ano.
Ibay.
Survivor.
Ganda. Ganda kaya maganda yung ano dito yung mga design. Ayun, medieval nga doon. Okay, papasok na tayo ng Mystic Manor. Shucks. Excited. Oo, tatluhan.
Pwede ba?
3, ayun, 3. Ah, sige, ako sa harap. Ito na, Mystic Manor. Let's go. Papahinga na rin. Last stretch. And then, home stretch.
Dahil tatakbo na kami sa Momentos.
Dito tayo, go. May story.
Ito ang matras.
Ayan. May kwento. Yan.
I was just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend.
Ito yung treasure. Ayun mo si
Ayan, yan si Mama. Ay, ayun! Ito pala yung... Ganda po. Tek, galing! Galing! Uy! Galing! Galing! Bumigay ba yun? Galing nga! Oo nga, nalaglag oh! Oo, takos! Wow! 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 Ganda! Okay, Pandora's Box! Galing!
There you are. You didn't touch that music box, did you? You never know. The legend just might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Man.
Quality nun. Quality nung ano niya. Ang galing nito. Sila Lane, no? May enjoy sana nila Lane. Sayang. Ganda nun. Quality. Okay, wala naman. Let's go, let's go. Panalo, panalo.
Abot na tayo.
Oo, abot na tayo Momentos. Ayun na, 13.
Abot pa tayo sa right.
Sorry talaga. Tingnan natin, sige. Panalo, panalo. Ang ganda nun. Ayun siya, oh, sila. Ah, ito yung merch dito. Doon, exit. Okay, let's go.
Saan tayo?
Sa ano daw, ititingnan ni Joy kung pwede pa daw sa Grizzly Couch. Labig.
Ako bigla.
Ganda nun. Ganda nga.
Grabe, nainis ako. Sana sinama ko na lang.
Mabilis. Okay, so mabol pa kami ng sister ko ng Grizzly Couch. This is it. Ay, nako. Chill lang to. Tatry ko yung ano, yung nonchalant challenge. Pero I doubt. So kami lang ng sister kong sumakay. Ay, steady lang. Wala lang. Ay, na yung drone. Ay, oo nga. Woo! Hop! Kami matakas. Sorry ko. Namangga.
Kapatukan pa.
Kapatukan. Tayo kanina okay pa, pero ito mukhang sabog na Choy ah. Ligo. Akala ko. Woohoo! Yeah! Boy! Atras na to eh. Patras na to. Shit, ayun oh! Oh my God!
Guys, we saw it.
Yeah! Kita from here! Kita na shot! Ito na Joy! Whoa! Let's go! Whoa! Gagi, Montek na lumipad yung camp. Mas mabilis pa atras. Ito yung ano, may post. Hindi, atras. Lilipat ang truck. Lilipat ang truck. Grizzly bear, Hop. Ito yung diretso, Joy. Shit, ito. Ito diretso to.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Let's go! Wala ka! What the Gagi, salamin ko halos lumipat. Grabe. Sabi ko ba naman, okay, yun na, okay, chill lang. Sabog tayo ko doon sa dulo.
Love it.
Saya. Saya buhay at naling ko. Go, let's go. Habol natin sila. Ang saya nun. Ba yung mami, ano, mas may lula pa yun. Ito iba yung sensation niya, ang saya. Kaya mo. Sarap. truly a magical place on Earth. Picture muna, family picture. Let's go.
Ayan na, tapos na. Grabe, ang ganda nung momento. Sobra nakakaiyak. Palabas na kami, pero hindi kami sasabay sa maraming tao. Punahin muna namin sila. We'll stay muna in some place.
Mga 10-15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes, lalabas na rin naman kami.
Ayun nata, toilet oh.
Total.
Toilet ba yun?
Hanap muna kami ng toilet.
Doon na lang. Okay. Finally headed home. Lalakad na kami pa-exit. Ngayon magkakaalaman kung gaano kalala yung sitwasyon sa train. So, we'll see.
Yeah?
Thank you. Disneyland. Thank you for visiting.
CSC for visiting.
What?
CSC for visiting.
Sisi? Yeah, it's like
Yes.
it's Chinese. Yeah, cool.
CSC.
Did you have fun?
Best birthday gift.
Oh, best birthday ever. Love you.
If I go back to school, then I'll do this. I'm back.
Silly. Bye, Disneyland. Hello, crowd. Tom.
I love them.
Palipas na nga tayo. Dito pa rin kadami tao. And uwian na.
Pag hindi nagpasok kayo sa live, one stop na naman.
Waiting. Grabe na yung tao. Say hi, ate. Hi. Hindi ko rin enjoy. Love you. Exit. Lipat na sa kabila. Let's go.
Ito na kami, Rambler na. Grabe, masakit na ng mga last night. Oh my God, last night no. Ang bilis. Grabe, balik na naman sa Pilipinas. Back to normal. Pahinga na kami. Pagod kami. Nag-take out na lang kami sa McDo. Sa hotel na lang kami. Sa hotel kakain. So, ito na. Pagod na kami. Ito na namin i-end ang day 5.
Good night.
Last night dito sa Hong Kong. Tomorrow, na kami. Flight na namin. Bukas ulit. Ito na.
Walking out. Check out na. Last day. Hotel.
Nasa labas na sila.
Sa baba.
Tiring, pero happy naman. Wala na kaming bosses.
Mga paos po yan.
Check out lang kami sa baba. Ito na, check out na kami. Kunin ko lang yung card. 218. Ito na. Hi, Rambler. Yan lang pala.
Yeah. Thank you.
And okay na?
That's
Okay.
it.
Thank you.
Ang dali lang pala. Express checkout. That's it. You
Nasa mall kami na. Nahanap kami KFC. Sa Maritime Mall sa So,
A few moments later.
pasok kami ng Wonderland. Kakalas na kumain sa KFC. Nakabudol na naman ako. Sabi ko hindi na ako titingin eh. Here we go. Wonderland. So, mga toys.
Yan sila sa loob. At throw this na ha.
Umikot lang ako si Daddy.
One eternity later.
Ayun na nga, nabudol. Ayoko na tumagal doon, baka bilhin ko pati yung Wilbur.
A few moments later.
Ay. So yun na nga, nabudol. Ares, hindi pwedeng isa.
Siya ang totoo asawa ko, to happy girl.
Budol. So, may isa rin batang na budol.
Discounted.
Budol pa din. Okay, so finally, back at the hotel. Pinick up na namin yung mga luggage. Headed to the airport. Dubai, Hong Kong, mamimiss ko yung winter season. Tinulak namin ang luggage namin from all the way there through here. Physical Asia. Bus stop! Waiting for the bus, going to the airport.
8:32.
8:32. Mula sa Rambler Oasis, lakad to 8:32 bus stop.
So, here we are in the bus. 8:32 ang sinakyan naming bus from Rambler. Diretso na to sa airport. Ilang minutes, Ben? Ilang minutes? 20 minutes? Ito mga nagpapay yung inangutok pa kasi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I'll sleep muna.
You're okay, late.
We're here na, Hong Kong Terminal 1, Hong Kong Airport Terminal 1. Kukunin muna namin yung boarding pass. Drop ng mga luggage. So yun lang muna. Ang mga passport natin nandyan. So, dun muna kami. Here. Pasok na kami. Ayan, sila na una yung mga kasama namin. Sila mama at papa. Naku, ang ganda. Ganda na ng airport talaga ng Hong Kong din. Malaki, tsaka malinis. Hindi ko pala nasabi, ang mga locals dito, mababait naman pala sila. Ganun lang sila magsalita. Akala mo palaging galit.
I think yung ano lang, the way they speak yung
the way they
language
speak
nila.
lang, ganun
Tsaka
lang.
fast-paced sila, ay nila yung parang mabagal-bagal. Kailangan listo ka. So, hindi naman siya.
Hindi.
Culture thing, hindi naman. Just
Mabait
don't take it
sila,
personally.
sobrang helpful. Ang dami sa amin nag-a-assist, puro mga locals. Lalo na pag hindi namin alam yung gagawin, pag nasa fast food kami, mga ganun. They're very, very nice. So, ito kami. Ang flight namin. Here it is. 5J113 Malamig pa rin ngayon. Ako, mamimiss namin tong
Winter.
weather na to. Pagdating sa Manila, balik na sa init pa. Oh my goodness. Ginawa nung dalawa. Ito may anak ko. Hey, what are you doing with the bot? Ay, sino po sila? Testing in progress. Hello. Ngayon, babalik na kami. Ito na yung kapatid ko, si Linsel. Ngayon, check-in na sila. Yung mga bagahe namin.
Oh yeah, we're going down. We're going.
Train? Oh, magte-train. Okay. So, from Terminal 1, magte-train daw. Para pupunta dun sa gate.
So, 8:42 kami. Kaya magsakay kami ng airport train here. Sobrang laki ng airport dito sa Hong Kong. Mag-train ka.
Alright.
Meron.
So, train. Minimal seat. Hey, how's your trip?
Need more days to stay in Hong Kong.
Need more what?
Need more days to stay in Hong Kong.
Need more days to stay here. Kasi ate yun. Yes, ate. On the other car train.
Need the battery.
Okay, stepping out.
Please stand clear of the train door.
Mind the gap, mind the gap.
We're going up. Kaya pag
Uy, haba
nag-layover
nito.
ka dito, dapat 3 hours minimum.
Oo,
Kasi pag 1 hour ang layover mo dito, naiwanan ka na ng eroplano mo.
correct. Yeah, no.
It's recording.
Yes.
It is!
Okay, what's up, followers? So we're at Hong Kong. We are going back to the Philippines. Here's my family. Please subscribe. How was that?
I'm gonna highlight that. Hi. Boarding na. Let's go.
So we're done na. Ready na kami.
Yan na.
Busy siya.
It's so sweet. Just landed.
Bye, bye-bye! Bye-bye! So ito bago to, oh. Sambaran.
Welcome back!
Yes, dito na kami. Naka-grab. So,
Philippines.
happy naman ang mga
Kids
kiddos.
core memory? Okay.
So yun lang. Dito na namin i-end. Bye! Oh, what will you say?
I'm back.
Likes and
Subscribe and ring the bell.